I would do this for all of my accounts so that when I am onboarding subcontractors, they would be able to always have access to the operating procedure. So there's no confusion. Now they have the scope of work. The scope of work is going to tell them what needs to be cleaned, but the scope of work does not tell them the order to clean it in, doesn't tell them how to clean it or anything like that, or the most efficient way. The the standard operating procedure will do that. So it breaks it down, gives it a sequence. And I think it was numbered, wasn't it? I would put this, like I said, in a Google document for to make it live and to be able to make updates. And whenever there's updates, anybody who has access to this SOP will be notified of any updates. And then with the signature, I would put that into the CRM and send it to them in the CRM and give them the requirement that they need to read it and they need to sign it. So they will sign it, and once they sign it, I would get a notification that that's signed.